Welcome to our channel. Ten Best Newest Refrigerator 2024. Top 1. SMETA French Door Kitchen Refrigerators with Ice Maker, 22.5 Q.Ft. Counter Depth Fridge for 36-inch double door with bottom freezer, stainless steel full-size, side-by-side fridges. Nevers Paracosina. French door refrigerator. Total capacity, 22.5 cubic feet. Freezer capacity, 6.61 cubic feet. Refrigerator capacity, 15.89 cubic feet. Dimensions, 35.9 x 29 x 69.9 inches. Counter depth refrigerator with automatic ice maker. Ice maker components are replaced free of charge for 2 years. Kitchen fridge freezing and super cooling function, energy saving with inverter compressor. Double crispers for better humidity controller. Adjustable shelves provide flexible space. All gallon bins for more food storage. Flat finish and French door. Modern design is perfect for your home use. Full-size refrigerator with LED lights. High-end brushed stainless steel design for your kitchen, office. Top 2. Moena 36 inch W refrigerator and freezer with 19.2 Q.Ft. total capacity, French door counter stainless steel freestanding fridge with ice maker, child safety lock and touch control. The 36 inches French door refrigerator offers a frost-free, freestanding design with a multi-airflow cooling system. With ample space to store your fresh food with 3 adjustable glass shelves, 2 gallon bins, and 2 durable drawers. The fridge capacity is 12.12 cubic feet. Easy access drawers when doors are open at 90 degrees. The freezer capacity is 7.14 cubic feet, ice maker capacity is 4.3 L. The freezer is equipped with 2 drawer freezers, 4 large door baskets, 2 extra large basket for gallon bottles, 1 transparent tray in the bottom drawer, 1 LED light, and automatic ice maker with heater element. There will be a soft alert sound if the door is left open. The refrigerator compartment also offers a convenient fast freeze setting. Top 3. Kenmore 33 inches 20.5 cubic feet capacity refrigerator freezer with full-width adjustable glass shelving, humidity control crispers, Energy Star certified, fingerprint resistant stainless steel. 33 in. Full-size refrigerator freezer, features 20.5 cubic feet of storage space and a 33-inch wide footprint to save space in your kitchen while still including the traditional standard depth design, stylish and efficient, sleek, stylish construction with a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish and features adjustable, full-width glass shelves so you can customize your fridge to fit taller bottles and make the most of your space, crisper drawers and dairy compartment. Clear humidity-controlled crisper lets you choose the ideal humidity level to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh, while the clear dairy compartment can store all your butters and spreads at their ideal temperature. Top 4. Midea MRB 19B5 AST 18.7 Q.Ft. Bottom mount frost-free refrigerator, stainless steel. Space-saving and generous capacity. Midea MRB 19B5 AST refrigerator with 29.5 x 30.9 x 66.6 inches, WDH, measurement and 18.7 Q.Ft. capacity, freezer 5.6 Q.Ft., fridge 13.1 Q.Ft., is a perfect size to keep all your favorite beverage cool, fruit or other food fresh, while taking up minimal space in your garage, apartment, dorm, or kitchen. Roomy for a tiny house, and has plenty of storage. E-Star certificated and low noise. This bottom-mount refrigerator uses our 600A high-efficiency compressor, only 466 kWh energy consumption. Multi-airflow system ensures a more even airflow and temperature in the refrigerator, which can make your foods fresher. 43 decibels noise level provides you a quiet environment. Top 5. WFRSY 22D2B side-mounted refrigerator, 20 Q.Ft., black. Counter depth design. The counter depth styling is designed to fit flush with your countertops, providing a sleek, built-in look in your kitchen. Crisper bins. 2 clear storage bins are great for separating fruits and vegetables and provide easy access to healthy foods. Crisper bins and humidity controlled. Choose the ideal humidity level with humidity controlled crispers. High for leafy veggies, low for longer lasting fruits. Air filter. Carbon-based NutriFresh air filter neutralizes odors, leaving your refrigerator smelling fresh. Water filter. NSF 42 certified. The easy-to-change NSF certified water filter removes contaminants for clear, great tasting ice and water, so you don't need to rely on bottled water. Top 6. Gallons GLR18 FS5S16 French door refrigerator with installed ice maker and bottom freezer, adjustable electrical thermostat control, frost-free, Energy Star certified, stainless steel, 18 cubic feet. Modern and sleek design. Gallons French door refrigerator, 32.3 x 27.4 x 70.0 WDH. It can store food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy and without taking up too much space. With a modern sleek design, the suite of appliances is ideal for your family. Noise level, 42 dB. Triple door built-in ice maker's refrigerator. Gallons 18.0 Cu.Ft bottom mount fridge has separated compartments for freezer and refrigeration to provide your family with flexible storage solutions. The product has an installed ice maker providing up to 3 pounds of ice daily. Top 7. Coolmore Commercial 1 Glass Door Display Upright Beverage Refrigerator Cooler Merchandiser, 12 cubic feet black, MDR1GD12C. Commercial refrigerator cooler, ideal for commercial businesses or convenience stores. Our upright beverage cooler can be used for storing beer bottles, soda cans, energy drinks, sports and fitness beverages. Cooling method, compressor refrigerant type, R600A, double pane tempered glass. The Coolmore Merchandiser refrigerator utilizes premium-grade glass to help eliminate condensation and maintain internal cabinet temperatures, which helps maintain glass clarity. Adjustable temperature control, utilizing a simple turn dial or a beverage cooler. Top 8. Calamara Wine and Beverage Refrigerator, 24-inch wine fridge, dual zone, hold 20 bottles and 78 cans, digital touch control, built-in or freestanding. Dual zone storage. This Calamara wine refrigerator holds up to 20 wine bottles and 78 soda cans. With 7 wooden shelves and 5 wire racks, our wine cooler allows you prepare fancy drinks for your party. Independent touch control, based on digital temperature control. Our beverage cooler offers a temperature range of 40-66 degrees Fahrenheit for wine in the left and a range of 38-50 degrees Fahrenheit for beverage in the right. Enhanced protection. This beverage fridge comes with an UV-resistant glass door that protects your drinks. With temperature memory function, your collection will be kept at the optimum temperature. Top 9. Moena 36 inch W refrigerator and freezer with 19.2 Cu.Ft total capacity, French door counter, stainless steel freestanding, fridge with ice maker, child safety lock and touch control. The 36-inch French door refrigerator offers a frost-free, freestanding design with a multi-airflow cooling system. With ample space to store your fresh food with 3 adjustable glass shelves, 2 gallon bins, and 2 durable drawers. The fridge capacity is 12.12 cubic feet. Easy access drawers when doors are open at 90 degrees. The freezer capacity is 7.14 cubic feet. Ice maker capacity is 4.3 L. Top 10. Hamilton Beach HBFR 1504 full-size counter-depth refrigerator with 2 freezer drawers, 17.9 cubic feet, stainless. Large capacity, French door, 17.9 cubic feet capacity, perfect for all the family members. Freezer compartment, keeps your food well frozen at all time in the separated freezer compartment. Thermostat, control your food temperature to keep it fresh longer. Adjustable, easily adjust the feet height and remove or interchange your shelves for a personalized experience. Built-in lamp, Find your food quicker with the interior light, included components, shelves, owner manual. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.